Have you been getting all of the vitamins and minerals that you need in your diet? Today I just want to go over one of my smoothie recipes so that if you are in a rush and you're stressing out and you don't have time to get your fruits and vegetables in, you can make yourself a smoothie, and that's going to help you with your brain function. It's going to help you get the vitamins you need to get yourself out of a depression if you're in one, and it's just going to make it less likely for you to reach for a sugary snack or something super unhealthy during the day. My name is Claire, and this channel is dedicated to helping you find success, happiness, get yourself out of a rut, and level up your life. So go ahead and subscribe for more videos now, and also hit that bell to be notified for future videos. So first of all, I really quickly want to go into what you should be putting in a smoothie, and then I'm going to share with you a smoothie that I like to make and how to modify it even more to make it even healthier. With smoothies, you want to make sure that you're getting a balance. So you should have some fruit, you should have vegetables, you should have fat and protein in your smoothie. And that's going to give you a well-rounded selection of ingredients so that you can feel full, so that you can get your vitamins and your minerals, and you can have energy. And another thing that you really want to make sure you're avoiding with your smoothies is having too much sugar. And that doesn't just mean like adding juice or adding honey or adding a sweetener into your smoothie. That also includes the fruit that you're putting in your smoothie. Because if you put too much fruit in that has a high amount of sugar in it, for example, mangoes, papaya, pineapple, that is going to create loads of free sugar in your smoothie, and it's going to be comparable to like a Coke, for example. So your blood sugar is going to spike. So you just want to make sure you are moderating the amount of fruit that you're going to blend into your smoothie. So you definitely want to have a base of vegetables, and for example, kale, spinach, arugula, the greens that you might be missing out on in any given day just because we tend to forget about our greens. So that should be the base. And along with that, you can put some carrots in there if you'd like, just for a little bit more fiber. And then you can add additional ingredients like chia seeds or flax seeds or sesame seeds. That will add some fat and protein. Then you want to add a scoop of plain protein powder. I like to use pea protein powder, just plain and simple. It doesn't have any added sweeteners. And I also add some frozen berries. So these types of berries are high in antioxidants and vitamins, but they are not as high in all of the sugar. So this is a great way to get some antioxidants without overwhelming your smoothie with sugar. Then I like to use plain almond milk. So this almond milk has no added sugar, and I definitely recommend not to use juice, because when you put juice in your smoothie, you are literally just filling it up with extra free sugar. And then lastly, this is where you get to decide if you want to start slow and get yourself into smoothies. Like, this is still a really healthy smoothie, but I mean, it could still get better from here. You can start off by putting a banana in, or half a banana in. That's going to add some creamy texture to your smoothie. If you really want to go all in and make this a really green smoothie, then I would recommend instead of the banana that you put in an avocado, because that gives you the consistency and the creaminess, but it is also going to have way less sugar, and it's going to have more of the healthy fat. So you get to decide if and when you want to progress to that level of healthy, but that's just another option that I wanted to throw out there. So there's tons of different options for your smoothies. You can rotate through different ingredients. Just make sure that you always have your base of the vegetables and the greens, and that you are getting that combo of having fruit, vegetables, proteins, and fats. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed, and if you'd like to see more healthy recipes. And also feel free to comment below if you have any other recipes for smoothies that you would like to share with our community. I definitely love to hear your thoughts. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!